Okay, so this is the unboxing video of the LiveTrak L12 by Zoom. We are 4 creators on the front here. All right, let's see what's on the back here. LiveTrak L12. Features: 12-channel digital audio mixer, 8 mono input channels, 2 stereo input channels, high-quality mic preamps with up to 60 dB gain, negative 28 dBu EIN, the equivalent input noise. Highs switches for direct connection to electric guitar or bass channels. Those are only on channels 1 and 2. Negative 26 dB pads for channels 3 through 8. 5 separate savable monitor out mixes. 3-band EQ with parametric mid EQ. Dedicated compressor knob for each mono channel. 12 faders, each 60 millimeters with 12 segment LED meters. Multi-track recorder. 12-track playback, 14-track simultaneous recording. Support for up to 24-bit 96 kHz SD card recording. Overdubbing and manual punch in out. USB host function to save and import project and audio data. 14 in, 4 out USB audio interface. Audio interface support for recording and playback of up to 24-bit 48 kHz. Compatible with USB 2.0 equipped Mac and Windows computers and Apple iOS devices. Package includes the L12 LiveTrak 8019 AC adapter, USB 2.0 cable, and a quick guide. Notice on this list that SD card is not present. Okay, now to the front. I'm doing this audio post ADR and recording it on the Zoom L12. We had some family over and I had a lot of ambient noise at the time of the unboxing, so I am doing this audio post. Here we have the Zoom power supply, 8019. It's a DC power supply. There you go. Comes in a box. It's packaged very nicely, it seems here. The styrofoam cutouts here for the box. And this is the USB cable it comes with. This does not come with an SD card, and I will note on that later on. So here it is coming out of the box. It's shipped very securely, and the box is really high quality and thick, and it was received in a box around it. Here's the paperwork inside. It is a quick start guide. Let me get a better look here. And this is pretty much a packing slip. It's to show the main objects that are in here. A Zoom L12, the quick start guide, a power supply, and a USB cable. Got it. And some other paperwork here and the warranty information, warranty card. Here's the cover of the quick start guide. LiveTrak L12 by Zoom. I had already downloaded the PDF manual on their website prior to even ordering it. I read it all the way through, so that probably won't be needed. But it's good they included it. Alright, and here we are with the actual item. You can see it was packaged with 3 different areas of styrofoam padding that hug around the edges of it on the sides, and then one on the back. I'm just going to slip these off here. Okay, and it's got like a dust cover slip here. It's black. Doesn't have any smell or anything like that. It's very clean. And it's folded over on one side. Now we're just going to slip this Zoom out of here. And here it is. Zoom L12 LiveTrak. Check the focus maybe. Alright, it is heavier and more sturdy than I expected it to be. It is definitely well built. They built it strong. It feels like it's strong and durable, especially in compared to other Zoom products I've owned. I've owned the Zoom R16, and I've worked with a couple other portable devices. I also have a Zoom H4n, and this feels more heavy duty than any other Zoom item, especially some of the portable items they make. This feels more like a field recorder almost. And here's the back side here. We got a power switch and a few connections, the DC in, and there's two USBs. We'll get to that in a second. So here's the control in, that's for putting a pedal in, SD card slot, the sample rate. It's an actual switch. It's not controlled by software. You switch it from 48 to 44. And so there's the USB mode to have it in, and there's two USBs. That's so you can connect a thumb drive, external hard drive, and copy your projects to it. And there's the switch for the power supply where it plugs in. And so there it is. There's the unit. And so let me get some tight shots here for you so you can see this thing close up. So here's a channel strip area, and that select button has a blue strip that connects to the EQ area. And when you push select button for a particular channel, it now highlights this area, and those EQ channels and send effects will be applied to that channel that you have selected. And it's a limited EQ, but it's a nice EQ, and it works really well. So you can select the mid-range frequency, and then it's just highs and lows after that. So here's a tight shot of the channel strips and the faders, and then here's the gain knobs, and the white knob below the gain is the compression, and you have gain and compression for every preamp in, where there's 8 preamps, and then 2 have highs on them, and then all 8 have phantom power possibilities. It's a really nice looking unit, I think, and it's clean and it's smooth. It's intuitive as well. It's a nice interface, and once you use it just once, you're flying around on it. I've only had it for 2 days. That's a close-up of the headphones, and there's the line ins and the main line outs. Those are XLR line ins. XLR line outs, sorry. And here is plug in the power, and first time boot up. Here we are. Nice, impressive. That's a fast boot up, and here we this is as far as we get. No card, because as I said, this does not come with an SD card. Other Zoom products do ship with an SD card, but this one does not. So it supports all sorts of different SD cards. You can read in the manual which ones it does, and it supports SDHC. So I have lots of those laying around, and I put a 16 gig in there and formatted it, and I was up and running real quick. So I've had it for about 2 days, and I'm recording the voiceover for this on it right now. And so far I'm very pleased. So that's it for this video of the unboxing of the Zoom L12 LiveTrak. And the next video will be some demonstrations with it and a demo recording example. See ya!